This is how to cut onion. You have this thing, you'll be crying. When I was in Nigeria, I used to think that this is you can only find this in Nigeria. But travel, Asia, guy, for Indomie. You know, there is so many type of Indomie here. But this one is my favorite one. This white one. I don't know with you guys. Right here I have just 2 tomatoes, onion, pepper, and this one is egg. In Indonesia we call it goreng. Let's go. Just finished cutting the tomatoes. Right now I get team the mini boy. Yeah, I rock at 1.5 or 1.5. You know, as I tell now, my strength is too much. Can't you see? It's time to rinse it, to remove the starch and everything, you know. Remove those starch there. This is how to cut onion, so it doesn't make you feel like you're crying. See? You protect your eyes. You see? This is how to do it. And then I'm going to fry my tomatoes and onion. You I'm sweating, yeah.